Let us understand call option with the help of an example. X has taken a call option to buy 1000 shares of Wipro at rupees 750 per share on or before 26th February 21. It means X has a call option in Wipro, therefore has a right to buy Wipro at rupees 750 on or before 26 February 21. The seller of this option has an obligation to sell 1000 shares of Wipro at rupees 750 to X whenever asked by X on or before 26 February 2021. That was in case if in India the options were to be of American style. Since in India the options are of European style, that means it will not be on or before 26 February, it will be on 26 February, because since in India the options are of European type, the Indian options can be exercised only on the date of the expiry, which is 26 February in our example. What should X do? Okay, what should X do if the spot price of Wipro on 26 February is rupees 800? What if it is just rupees 700 on that day? So the answer is very simple. The answer is, if on 26 February 2021 Wipro is 800 rupees, what X should do? Exercise the option. Why exercise the option? Because he will, since he is exercising the option, that he will purchase the shares at 750 rupees per share, and spot is 800, so he can sell those shares in spot a market at 800, and therefore the difference 5 rupees becomes his gain. What if on 26 February Wipro is 700 rupees on that date? What should X do? X should not do anything. He should simply let the option expire. Please remember, if you don't exercise the option, it automatically expires. So this is an example of call option on a stock. Let us now look at example of put option on a stock. X has taken a put option. X has purchased a put option to sell 500 shares of Tata Motors at rupees 400. Of course, today Tata Motors is not at rupees 400. Today Tata Motors is somewhere about 280 or 290 rupees, if I remember it correctly. But for the sake of our example, we assume the price to be 400 rupees. So X has purchased a put option to sell 500 shares of Tata Motors at rupees 400 per share. Why is X purchasing a put option? X is purchasing a put option because X is bearish about Tata Motors. X is of the view that the prices of Tata Motors will go down, and therefore he wants to ensure that in case if the Tata Motors really goes down, he is able to freeze his risk and he is able to fix the price at which he would be able to sell the Tata Motors even if the price of Tata Motors goes down in the market. So he has purchased a put option to sell 500 shares of Tata Motors at rupees 400 on 20, and the expiry date is 26th February 2021. It means what? It means X has an option. X as a put option holder in Tata Motors has a right to sell Tata Motors at rupees 400 per share on 26th February 2021 to the person who has sold him this put option. The seller of this option has an obligation to buy 500 shares of Tata Motors at rupees 400 from X on 26 February 2021. Now the question is, what should X do if the spot price of Tata Motors on 26th February 2021 is rupees 350? And the answer is he must exercise the option. Why he must exercise the option? Because as a put option holder, he has a right to sell. Sell at what price? At 400 rupees per share. So he would be able to, if he exercises the option, he will sell Tata Motors to the seller of the put option at rupees 400, and he will buy in the spot market at rupees 350, and thereby he makes a profit of 50 rupees per share. What if the Tata Motors on 26th May has gone to 450? What should X do? X should not do anything. Why? Because his worry was that the Tata Motors may go down, and that is why he wanted to secure himself. So if the Tata Motor has gone up, he does not have to worry about, because since the price of the share that he is holding has gone up, he is gaining in any case. So these are the friends two examples of call option and the put option, and how they would work, and how and when they would be exercised by the holder of these two options.